DS-600, assembling and disassembling. For the workflow, we recommend to use a screwdriver, a hammer and a piece of string. Access the zipper between two parts. Then attach the string to the puller. The string will make it easier to pull down the zipper. You can leave the last bit closed until the sofa is turned around. Turn the DS-600 on its back side. Now open the last bit of the zipper. Use the screwdriver and the hammer to push out the bolt. Now you can remove the parts from each other. For assembling, turn the parts on the back side. Move the notches in one line. Insert the bolt from the top. And push the bolt through the notches. Tighten the last bit with a hammer. Close the zipper end. Turn the DS-600 back to its normal position. Pull the zipper all the way up. Disconnect the string and all done.